What's up everyone? In this video, I'll show you how to view your Spotify listening history on your mobile device, your Android or your iPhone. So here I have Spotify opened on my phone, and to view my history, to see the songs I listen to, I'll go to the top right corner here. You'll see three icons. The one in the middle, that's the clock icon, that's the recent songs. If I tap on it, it'll show me all the recent songs here, and they are ordered by date. And I can tap on anyone to start playing it. I say I love you, but also, if I go to my library here at the bottom right corner and choose it, I can see my liked songs here at the top here, like the top choice is my liked songs. I can view them, and I can view also the artists that I am following, to tap on any one of them to see their songs and start playing them.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.